Hello? Is this thing on? This is terrible. How do you guys stream with headphones on? This is the worst. This is the absolute worst. Sketchy, how are you? Virtue, what's up? Didn't hear any alerts. Music is quiet. Is this loud? Yes, yes, it was. I'm super quiet. I'm super quiet. Okay. How can I fix that? I can do this. Does that help? Is that better? Sorrow, how's it going? Balint! Balint, what is up? Look at those psycho emotes. Scully! Citrus emotes here allegedly. No. Bad. Banned. How are y'all doing? Turgus, I got you in the credits. The credits, I have to switch to the Mac to do to do credit stuff. But you're in there, promise. Am I still super quiet? I don't like this. I don't like talking with headphones on because these are like noise canceling without even needing to be noise canceling, so can't hear myself. It's better. All right, I can crank it a little more. I'm already in the yellow, so my voice is clear. Okay, that's good. Is the music too loud? I feel like I'm streaming day one again. I don't know how anything works. I will say it's much easier to set it up on PC than on Mac. On Mac, I had to buy software so I can route my desktop audio through a separate channel so OBS can read it. It does not. It can't read desktop audio by default. You don't hear any music? Music audio is very low. It's like blasting in my ears. That's insane. Hadouken, how's it going? How about now? You hear the music? Fanny, hold me closer. Science, how you doing? How's the baba? How about this? I take the headphones off and I don't care what the audio is. And I just blast the music for you. How's that? We're on a PC. Look at this. Look at this. We're on a PC. That's crazy. Not a Git repository. Is the keyboard super clickety clackety? It's Friday. Where's my Guinness? I need to drink breakfast. Don't drink your breakfast. This is so weird. I feel so uncomfortable right now. Everything's different. I don't hear any music. My computer's humming because it's a fat, stupid PC. And when I say fat, it's just gigantic. It's in my way. Nice little laptop. Nice little laptop. Didn't do anything. Didn't do anything wrong. No, what's no? All right, I have not launched Unity yet. I haven't launched the project yet, so let's just add it. Add project from disk. Documents, projects, Innkeeper, Unity, Alpine Lake, Innkeeper, open. All right. I hope, but please just let it launch. No issues. Yeah. Allow Unity to do whatever it wants. No to the keyboard. All right. That's good. It's a very clickety clackety keyboard. I need to download Obsidian and I need to sync my Obsidian. I wonder if I can put my Obsidian files in a shared directory between my Mac and my PC so they can always so I can always like I have access to it. Is that a thing? Can I do that? Let's download some software. Oh, and this I think this wireless mouse battery is dying. I need to get some batteries. Let me get some batteries. I don't have any double A's. That sucks. Huh. I wonder if it's because the dongle is too far away. Maybe I'll have to move it to the front. That's better. That's better. I moved the wireless dongle to the front. Now the mouse doesn't feel like it's dying. Get Obsidian. Download for Windows. Is this launching still? This is going to take a minute. This is ridiculous. I have 2 keyboards in front of me. Anyway, how are y'all doing? How are y'all doing? This is very uncomfortable for me. Can't believe you all made me do this. Let's open up Maya, because it's possible that I just do Maya. Spawn, how's it going? How's game dev using Unity 6 versus past iterations? I would say it's mostly the same. I don't use too many of the new features or any. I'm not sure I use any of the new features in Maya 6. But I do like it. It's fast and it doesn't crash as much as it used to. I need to bring over at least one file to work in. Okay. Let me do that. Innkeeper 3D Maya. So let's make a new project. New project. New. Call this project Maya. We'll put it in documents. This is bullshit. The fact that it goes default to OneDrive documents, that's bullshit. I don't want that shit. I just wanted to... So thanks for doxing me. I just wanted to go into my project folder. New folder, 3D. New folder. We'll put the Maya project in here. Select, Maya, accept. Okay. I can't even hear the alerts. Turgas, 3 months. You've gifted 3 months to Balint. That's really too much. Take it back. Cancel that credit card. Return those subs. Balint, reject them. No, thank you. Seriously, thank you. That's too much. Too nice. You guys are too nice. Oh my god. A hype train. A hype train. Remember, at every level of a hype train, we do a raffle for stickers. And if we hit level 10, you get all the source code to Alpine Lake and you get full rights, full release rights, and I stop working on it. That's only if we get to level 10. Raffle. No. It's not exclamation mark raffle. It's something else that I won't tell you what it is. You have to guess. So it's really hard to join the raffle. Bolin, thank you for the bits. Okay. Open source Alpine Lake, yeah. All right, Maya's running. I made a new project. Maya 2026. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is Unity's still trying to open. I still want to grab a 3D file from my Mac, so let's keep going. Innkeeper. I'll probably grab the furniture. It's the worst case scenario. I just make some furniture all day. That's a worst case scenario. So scenes, furniture, items, decorations. What did I call it? Items. Furniture. Copy. New. Shared. Public. Nah. I forget where the shared directory is. Network? PC? Nah, this ain't it. My name? Public. There it is. There it is. So now I can say open. How do I get to the network? Oh, Unity opened. That's nice. Turgis, thank you for the bits. Hope you don't mind me lurking on your stream. I hopped on because I'm trying to learn a bit about game development. Spawn, if there was a streamer that was upset that someone was lurking, there's something wrong with that streamer. You are perfectly okay to lurk. Feel free to ask any questions. Welcome in. It's good to have you. iHeart, good morning also. I forgot to say that. Thank you for the follow. I'm going to try with the headphones again because I feel weird without music. Maybe I'll do one ear in, one ear out. This is better. I think without the music, I feel strange. Maybe I'll do that. I tried using my AirPods, which I prefer, but every time they connect to the PC, the Mac is like, "Oh, hey, those are my AirPods," and they grab control. All right, so I like console here, project here, list view, and that's it. It's pretty responsive, actually. It's way more responsive than on the Mac. Let's open up a main game scene. Clickety clackety clickety clack. What are these emotes? Turgis, thank you for the big knee. It's all piano. Plain old Trey. Thank you for the lick. Did Booyah see my redeem at the start of stream? Yes. Yeah, I added you to the credits. You're good. Good morning. I'm being sneaky. No worries. Be sneaky. Ah. The clickety clackety keyboard makes me feel like a self-important loser. I hate it. I like quiet. Well, that's a lot of errors. Oh my god, there's 999 plus. Wow. What is all this nonsense? Did I get the hype train reward too? Who's this diva? Thank you. Thank you for the hype train. I don't deserve it. You guys are very nice, very kind. A polygon of mesh gazebo bottom is self-intersecting and has been discarded. That's a lot of polygons that have been discarded. There's just every warning in the entire project. It's fine. It's clear. Clear. All right, does the game run? Let's see. So for those of you who have been around, is the stream different than on the Mac? Does it sound different? Does it feel different? Is anything wrong? Or is it kind of the same? Perform selected interactable. I'm already getting a weird error that is not natural. I had some urgent business this morning, got my Steam review rejected because I built with the wrong app API, had to urgently go fix, recompile, replay so the leaderboard wasn't empty, and send an apology. All sorted now, but feels bad. Who did you have to send an apology to? Also, get Copilot? No, never. Also, I do not like this font. What is this horrible font? How do I change my font? Edit? Preferences? Where's preferences? Search. Font. That's terrible. What's a good font? What's the good one? What do I use on the Mac? On the Mac, I just want the same font. Purple moss. Oh my god, huh? Where's the Mac? I know. I'm on a PC just for today. Just for today. Everyone spent a lot of channel points for this. I don't know why. It's just a thing that happened. Moss, how are you? Just with the Steam review team to be like, yes, it's fixed, sorry. Oh, yeah, they don't give a shit. You don't gotta apologize to them. I have my game close itself on launch if the app ID. Oh my god. Wait, one sec. One sec, Nerdy Punk Dev, welcome in. So they probably were very frustrated. I'm also going to add a confirmation window for that situation. Yeah, that sounds rough. Nerdy Punk Dev, welcome in. Thank you for the raid. How are you? How was your stream today? Buenos noches, Toxic Taco. Everyone, shout out to Nerdy Punk Dev. Oh, I don't have any of my links. I'm on my PC. I got nothing. I'm in the void here. We want to go to your Steam page though. What was it? Spaceman. It was something Spaceman. Spaceman memories. There it is. Everyone. Let me turn the music off. Oh, this is painful. Everyone, this is Nerdy Punk Dev's game, Spaceman Memories. Make sure to give it a wishlist and a follow. I'm not signed in. Just been locked in. Was a fun stream. Nice. Do you know Spanish also? Yo comprendo español. Mucho comprendo. See. So, uh, no, I don't know any Spanish. Perfecto. Perfecto. Doing great, thanks. Got a couple of updates out the last few weeks. Feeling good. Yeah, I saw your update. That's awesome. You're killing it. Killing it, Moss. Toxic Taco, thank you for the follow. My audio is so loud. It's blasting in my ears. Está bueno tu español, amigo. I don't know how to respond to that. Muchas gracias. Ay, Dios mío. It's funny because I keep thinking of sentences that I think I know, but it comes out in Japanese in my head. Like, oh, how do I say this? And the first thing is like how to say it in Japanese. And then I have to think really hard and realize that I don't know how to say it in Spanish. Ay, Dios mío. I mean, yeah, I know that. I took Spanish in high school, so I remember some. Yo tengo hambre. Everyone, make sure to wishlist and follow Spaceman Memories. Thank you for rating in. Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a cozy life sim game called Alpine Lake. I'll play the trailer while I set stuff up and download things. Today, I'm streaming from a new PC. I've never streamed from a PC before. I usually stream from my Mac, but today I'm streaming from a PC, so I'm a little flustered. I'm trying to get everything organized and get all the software I need and get all the audio working. Is this thing blasting volume? I don't even know. Did I download Obsidian? Downloads. No. Downloads. Unconfirmed download. We'll try again. Download again. Blocked. Verify. Download unverified file. That's what I'm working on for the new people here. But today's gonna be really slow. I'm just gonna like work on setting up this PC, hanging out. Feel free to stick around. I'll do my best to like actually do work, but I got a lot of stuff to set up. Are you gonna develop on the PC now? I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm already not liking the audio situation. I can't balance the audio the way I like it because I used to be able to play audio out of my speakers on the laptop, not wear headphones, and have my volume really low and have the stream volume be perfect. But it seems like I can't decouple the volume of the desktop audio in my ear versus the volume for you. They seem to be in sync, and what's too quiet for you is blasting at my ears, and I can't figure out how to change that. The only thing I can do is make your audio lower. I can't figure out how to make my audio lower and your audio louder. And if anyone knows how to help me through it, then that'd be nice. Why is it using my last name? That's so annoying. Let's run Obsidian. No, let's not run it. I don't know. Voice meter ban is what you need? What do you mean? He promised to send me his PC after the stream, so likely not. That's true. It's annoying. Is that like a thing? Voice meter banana. Leth, how's it going? I'm not sure if it helps. You can use voice meter. What is that? Oh, wait, we're out of music too. Okay. Like if I do this, then it's quiet for you too. Then you don't even hear it, right? And if I adjust the volume in the mixer here, It's the same. You don't hear it. If I... Yeah, this is... It's all coupled. Like, I don't know how to decouple it. I used to be able to decouple it. So you're thinking of going full Unity on Windows then. Does it run better on Windows? I don't know. That's what I'm trying to find out today. The thing you rated in... I was trying to find a better font. This font is terrible. And I don't remember the font I use on the Mac. I'm assuming it's this one? Wait, what if I hit OK? This looks right, but no, it's not the right size. Whoa. Okay, the hotkeys are different. That sucks. That ain't it. Yeah, this is not it. Fonts. I'm assuming these bolded ones are... what are they called? Uni whatever? Cascadia code. Is this what it was? It's just like, why is this so hard to read? I don't understand. All right, I'm just gonna open it up on the Mac and see what's going on. Have you ever tried JetBrains Rider with Unity? I have not. Everyone talks about it. Everyone loves it. You can capture the application audio with OBS. Is that what I should do? I didn't want to do that because then I need one audio device per software, and it sounds like a pain in the butt. Do you ever run into hurdles while programming and you just procrastinate? Because I do that a lot. Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes. It depends on what kind of problem I'm working on. If I have a problem at hand, I'm pretty good at focusing on it until it's done. But if I don't know what to work on and I meander, that's the hard part. We talking about audio stuff. Yo, Steven, yeah, I just can't figure out. So I'm on the PC. Look, Mom, I'm on PC. Uh, but I can't figure out how to change the volume of the audio that you hear versus the audio that I hear. Because I want to make my audio lower and your audio louder. But right now they're just like, your audio is super low, mine's super loud, and there's no way to change it. All right, so what you want is Voicemeeter. It takes a bit to set up and understand, but it does what you were looking to do. Okay, then I'll look that up later. It sounds like an annoying thing. It's a software. Hello, Lath. Thank you. You said that. And I missed it. Is that not just directly in OBS? Not really. I can make your audio lower. That's it. I can't make your audio louder. You can't crank this above 0 dBs. All of us do it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you're not alone. You're not alone. Right-click filter plus gain. Let's try that. So you think I should up the gain on the desktop audio? AV input, desktop audio, filters. Why are there none? Gain. Oh, so I can do this. I can do that and then lower it on my end. How's that? Turgus! Got louder for you. Is it too loud? This I can deal with actually. This is okay. This is okay. I still don't like being muffled. But I'm slowly getting used to it. It was very jarring to begin with. All right, so I'm on my Mac right now, and I'm trying to figure out what font my VS Code is, because I need it to be the same. It's not pleasant. I'm still a little quiet. Does everyone else think I'm still a little quiet? Maybe I increase the gain on the input without touching the gain on the microphone. I mean, I'm peaking. I'm hitting the yellow. I'm almost hitting the red sometimes. So you know what? If that's the case, then the desktop audio is too loud. And now you can raise your computer's volume to balance. Music's a bit loud. Okay. I used to have the volume hitting like negative 35 dBs. That was like perfect. And that's what it's at right now. So if my voice is good and the music's good right now, then that would be nice. All right, so what font are you? Search. Font. Well, that search does not do the same thing. Visual Studio, preferences. Fonts. I use Menlo. Menlo regular. I hope Menlo's not a Mac only thing. That'd be annoying. And it is. Dang it. How about Courier? That's... Nope, that's painful to look at. Can I apply without hitting OK? Courier new. Same. Let's try Cascadia Mono. Maybe this font is no good. Let's try 11. That's so big and bold. Ooh, interesting. Getting, I don't know. There's something about the kerning is just, everything is just smushed together. So smush. What's this? No, that looks terrible. What's this? Oh, wait a minute. We might be onto something. This is a little better. Also, Turgis, yeah, thank you for that. Thank you all for all those big emotes. Thank you for all the bits. Use Booyah Sans. Comic Sans. I wouldn't be the first. Is that what Slur said they use? Or is that what Gucci said they use? One of them. One of them said they use Comic Sans unironically. Pelly, how's it going? So yeah, bear with me while I get these audio settings right. All right, I think I'm ready to start doing work. So I was in the middle of fixing a bug yesterday. Do I want to try and fix it? Also, yeah, the game is freaking out. It's throwing errors. What's going on? Null ref exception. Let's see what's going on. So activity. So this activity is if the activity is not null. Yeah. I feel like I did this already. Oh, no, 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 no. So where do I set the right code format? I like my open curly brackets at the end. Where do I change that? It's like formatting options. Yeah, there's not gonna be much game dev today. Sorry. I'm gonna spend the day getting it the way I like and then not using it ever again. I don't know. Code format? Automatic format when typing C sharp. Automatically format block on, yeah. So place, I want this to be here. How do I make it go up there? This is for indenting. New lines. Place, here we go. Yeah. Place open brace on new line for methods. No. Place open brace on new line for properties. No, never. 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 Place new line. Never. 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 Spacing. Insert space between method name and its opening parens. Nah. Wrapping. Leave statements and member declarations as in the same line. Yeah, if I put them on the same line, leave them there. I don't know. Who cares? Watching you wear headphones is making me uncomfortable. It's making me uncomfortable. I can do the AirPods, but let me try them. Let me try the AirPods. It's just when I plug them in, the PC, I put them on the PC and then the Mac grabs them back. So I have to like disconnect them from the Mac or something. All right, so now they're in my ear. No, don't connect to the laptop. Okay. I hear the audio. This is good. Download voice meter right now? Is it free? Banana. Which one do I want? This website looks painful. Oh, I hate this. Oh, I hate this. Might require a reboot due to driver new virtual device stupidity. Yeah. I'll save this. I'll save the link. I'm not gonna do it right now. Yeah. You want to see a work in progress shot from the dude I hired to model paint the 80s Tokyo train? Hell's yeah, Steven. Why bro got the cans on? Trust me, I don't want them on. This is good though. This is way better. I was not enjoying having those headphones on while streaming. I don't know how any of you do it. Very uncomfortable. Even this I don't love, but it's fine. It's so funny how I feel handicapped. Yo, sick link, brah. Send it to me on Discord. I use banana, but you might be better with just voice meter. What's the difference? Twitch annihilated that link. Headshotted it. So I'm pretty sure that I fixed this, which is weird. Like, did I not grab my latest git pull. Where's git bash? Deleted. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing? Oh, wait. Please remove before you merge. Please commit your changes. Git stash. Warning, in the working copy of... Oh my god, this is what I was afraid of. It's just the Mac and the PC not working together. What? What do you want? It's listing like everything in the entire game. Yeah, I literally just get stashed everything. Please commit your changes. Git checkout. Git checkout. All right, I checked out everything, which... Oh my god. This is not working out. I don't understand. Should I re-pull it? All right, you know what we're going to do? We're going to do this one more time. We're going to go to Documents, go to Projects, Innkeeper, Unity Projects, delete. Deleting 100,000 files. Insane. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. 200,000. Oh, I'm sorry. 300,000 files. I should probably close Unity while I'm deleting it. Oh no, what have I done? How satisfied are you with Unity Hub? Fine. Let's cancel. Where is Unity? Unity knows it's gone. Let's close you. Oh, I'm not logged into Discord on the PC. That's funny. Where is Unity? There it is. End task. There we go. Close. Now we can delete. Whoa, 12 gigs. What is going on here? Is it really going to take forever to delete? Okay, good. Oh, wait, how do I turn on streamer mode? Well, let's look at what Steven Scott sent. Open image in new tab. Not download. Okay, apparently that makes the download happen. Look at that. Edit your images using AI. Great. Look at that. That's nice. This train looks very familiar. '80s JR, yeah. Looks like my train. But wait, did I make mine green? I think mine's red. What is it? Mine's red. Similar. Looks good though. I don't have interior. Look at that. You got a nice conductor chair, sliding doors, benches. Got the interior. Looking good. That's his Linux setup. He can route audio wherever he wants. Hadouken. It has the ability to do it without a reboot. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out after stream though. It's possible I run straight back to the Mac because I can't even get it running. I can't even get the project running. So on terminal, I'm in terminal on the Mac, right? Anga, how's it going? I know you think that. Git status. All right, so asset worker importer log and then shader compiler. I don't need that stuff. How do I ignore that shit? My git ignore has dot logs. Why is all this nonsense being tracked? Arch Linux Eng is here. I run Arch, by the way. You would run Arch, whatever that means. Turgis, good night. Turgis, good night, and thank you for all the subbies and the bitsies. Really love the hand-painted stuff. I have a few artists producing assets right now, all using a Team Fortress 2 lookbook. Yeah, it's going to look good. The Team Fortress 2 look is nice. I like it. Why the move to Windows? I missed this part. I had a community event for like 3 weeks where people donated to make me do this. And it's just brought me pain. I mean, git git add git commit stupid logs git push origin. Okay, now I go back to PC. What you need help with? Everything. Everything's being the worst. Git bash. I'm just trying to get my Mac build of the game onto the PC. And then I want to clone into this directory. Clone, copy, paste. We'll get rid of that. Very doxing. Is Godot good for game dev? Max, yes. Godot is great for game dev. What a good choice. For no other reason than the novelty. I think I wanted to give it the good old college try. I was just so comfortable on the Mac that I never gave it a chance. So the channel point redeem was a way to force me to do it, force me to try it, go through the motion, you know, accountability and whatnot. And here we are, going through all the pain together. While that's downloading, we can make something. So Let's make something. Network? This PC, Mac shared. I have 2 terabytes? I didn't know that. We'll copy this and put it in our documents, projects, Innkeeper. Let's pin this bad boy. Let's pin this bad boy. Let's pin this bad boy. There we go. You can't pin it up here. Scenes. Let's say new folder. Items. Paste. Open. Items. Furniture. Save. Nah. How would one go about forcing you onto Arch Linux? Not possible. It is not possible. Godot plus Blender. Max, that's a great choice. We can ignore that. I don't care. Ooh, the textures. I don't have the textures. How's this doing? 99%. I technically use Arch since the Steam Deck uses Arch. There you go. I main Windows 11 though. Don't we all? So Maya runs real nice. I have not run Maya yet on this machine. I do need to grab the texture. Oh, dang. Hypnotic. Hypnotic. Thank you for the raid. Welcome in. How was your stream today? Shout out to Hypnotic Dev, everyone. Hypnotic Games. That gamer, welcome in. Stream was good. What'd you get up to? Pratesh, how are you? Raiders, welcome in. If you do not know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a cozy life sim Innkeeper-Sim called Alpine Lake. Today is a weird day because I'm streaming from a new PC. Usually I stream from a Mac, and today I'm streaming from a brand new PC, and not everything is set up correctly, so bear with me. I guess I can close that tab now. Yeah, you can. Reposition the camera for a better isometric view. Dealt with the 3D shadows. Ooh, do you have stuff you want to share? Do you have screenshots or something? I want to see. Do you have any links? I tried installing Arch once on my own. I didn't know what to do. Sounds about right. All right, so I need to switch back to the Mac. I need to grab the textures folder. Textures. How big is this if I compress this? Compress textures. It's only 300 megs. That's fine. I can deal with that. Let's put that in here. Back on PC. No screenshots yet. I will be waiting. I'm gonna get a few more models made and a starting area created. Then I can start showing things off. What game is this? Every time you come in here, you're working on a new game. So what game are we working on today? What game are we working on today? So I need Mac shared textures. Wait, don't unzip it here. Don't unzip it here. Oh, that was a bad idea. There we go. Unzip it here. Extract all. Right here, baby. Engineered, a 3D top-down ARPG. Yesterday was side project. Game jam from the other week is over, so that will be a future side project. No more game jams for the year, I swear. Yeah, I don't believe you. I do not believe you. But that's okay. That's okay. You can work on as many game jams as you like. I must finish something. I know the sentiment. See, you're working on 14 projects trying to finish one. I'm working on one giant stupid project trying to finish. Which one? Who will finish first? That was some crazy, crazy brightness. All right, that's good. Okay, so now I have a textures folder. Wait, so the delete button goes into a folder. That's not right. Oh, that goes back. That's what it does. What do I gotta do? Hit Control Delete or Alt Backspace? How do you delete something? Delete. I want all of this out here. And then I want to delete this. And I want to delete this. And now this should rehook up. Just, oh wait, no, it's not gonna just rehook up. Oh, my hotkeys aren't set up. No, my hotkeys. My hotkeys. Windows, rendering, hypershade. I gotta click on everything through the menu. Textures. That's garbage. That's garbage. This is what I need. Textures. Output. Color atlases. Large PNG. Oh, that's funny. It just like found it for all of these. That I don't care about. This I technically don't care about either. If I do like a delete unused, yeah, look at that. So now everything is textured. Beautiful. Oh, yeah, perfect. Oh, nope. Hotkeys don't work. Maybe that's what I do next. Rendering, hypershade. I forgot. When you change the texture, it's happy to plug everything into transparency that you don't want. This one didn't do it. Well, that's nice. I think they have an install script that run in the live environment now, but I am just so used to manually doing it. Now you're talking about Arch. My main project right now won't be done for years, hence the side projects, right? Right. Yeah, I can't. I'm not brave enough to work on a side project. You have more courage than me. So let's version this up so I don't overwrite anything stupid. And now I can work. I can model. So if I don't do any game dev, okay, actually it just finished. Oh wait, clone succeeded, but checkout failed. You can expect what was checked out with the git status and retry with git restore, git status. Fatal, not a git repository. cd git status. Okay. So does anybody know what that means? Does anybody know what that means? Also, untracked files, git ignore. Why is the git ignore an Innkeeper project? It looks like it's just the wrong hierarchy. The delete button. Well, I want to hit backspace. Fancy delete. Not everyone has a fancy delete button. XO. So, how's it going? I'm adding you to the credits. You can't see it because the credits are on my Mac and I'm streaming from the PC. But I promise you're being added. Promise. Is this your first time? Yeah, this is your first time. How would you like to be represented? Also, Fugusoft. Welcome in. Let me just add EXO right here. Then I'll get to your messages. Okay. Was the repo initialized? I cloned it. I cloned it from whatever, from Bitbucket. I did not get init, but I did clone it. So it is here. It does exist. I haven't been paying attention to it like at all. That's fine. That's fine. But it seems like the hierarchy is different. It has like an extra file or an extra folder that it's confused by. So it thinks everything was either deleted or moved, and there's like a new project. How do you git clone without this like extra folder? You can git branch all and see if your origins match. Git branch all. That didn't do anything. What's the problem? So I just did a git clone, right? Now, when I git status, this is what happens. It literally displays every single file. It has been deleted in green, and that these are my untracked files, the git ignore, and my root folder. So this is one moment after doing a git clone. And the git clone gave me a warning that was like, hey, not everything worked. I don't know. You should check the logs. Do a git status to see what didn't check out. So I don't know what's going on. I've never had this issue before. Usually I just clone the repo into, from the server and everything works all handy dandy. But not this time. Git restore staged. Fatal. You must specify paths to restore. Oh. Restore. I thought you were just being polite, finishing your sentence with a period. Oh god. Git branch dash dash all. Refreshing index. So I'm like really bad with Git. All I know how to do is, oh, we're in ads. Sorry. I'll shut up. Deleted pixel crushers. It's one file. What? What is this? Your branch is up to date with origin master. Changes not staged for commit. Such good emotes. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay. So now what happened was it says I'm up to date. But there is this one deleted file. I don't know why it's deleted. I would like to help, but the only thing I know is git is git or oh no, with git is click on. Yeah, same with me. Mr. Zombie. Mr. Zombie. 2 months. That's a big commitment. That's a big commitment. I really appreciate it. Once you go 2, there's no going back. Like if you sub for 1 month, it's like, oh, maybe his fingers slipped. But 2? That's purposeful. And I'm streaking. Oh my god. Mr. Zombie, good morning. You could restore the file if it isn't supposed to be deleted. Git restore. Unable to create it. It's like an oh, file name too long? Really? File name too long. Letterbox dialog panel animator controller. Is that something I use? I think so. I have too many nested directories. Why didn't it matter on the Mac? It's a Windows limitation. Well, that's not good. Not much I can do about that, huh? So I guess I can go to the Mac. I can shorten the name of it. 256 character limit on file saving. Well, that's lame. You can also place the project somewhere else. Oh, you mean like because it's nested like so deep within here. This ain't that much. All right, I'm gonna go to the Mac. I'm gonna shorten the file name. It's the entire path. Yeah, that's lame. All right, all right. Let's move it then. Let's Kilika. Yeah, Windows. It's not going so great. It's not going good. It's going not good. We haven't done any work yet. We're just trying to get everything set up. Also, good morning to you. I mean, it probably would make sense to put it somewhere else. Like I should just have C/projects, not even documents, you know? Don't put it in users, just C/projects. That would be a smart thing to do. I like it in documents though. It's a document. So what is that letterbox? So it's this. What is it like 4 characters too long? Okay, I made it much shorter. Hopefully it's fine. I probably can't pull it. It's still too long, but that's not what it's called anymore. That's not what it's called anymore. So, well now what? Wait, long paths enabled? There's something I can enable? A registry setting you can enable to make it longer. Do I really want to do that? I mean, How am I? Good morning. How am I doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing good today. Today was nice. My wife went into work late, so we kind of spent the morning together, and we took the dog on a really long walk. He's just passed the f out somewhere, like super passed out. It's the best. When you walk a dog so tired they can't even move, that's the best thing you can possibly do. And he was just like so happy, meeting new people, playing with other dogs along the way. He has such a good time out there now. He was very good on the leash today. So happy dog, happy life, right? I know Git pretty well. So if you or anyone else has Git questions, I'm your girl. I think you have to do git reset hard, git reset hard, head origin master. Fatal. Cannot do a hard reset with paths. What? It's good to hear tired dogs are the best dogs. Yeah, they are. Drop head. Okay. Okay. Already up to date? Baloney. Wait, so everything's clean and I'm already up to date. What does that mean? I don't believe that for 1 second. This is garbage. Go away. Dismiss. Remove. Remove. Not connected. It's already open. Okay. Should be good now. Oh, nice. If this works, EXO, you are the best. If this doesn't work, you're still one of the best. It's not the best, you know? Nor's Jorb. What's Nor's Jorb? Norse, like, nice job? Norse Jorb? You have to restart your PC, though? Wait. Oh, for the long paths enabled? It scares me, Mart. I know, right? Nice Jorb there. Is that Goofy speak? If you want to learn Git, the official Git SCM book is really good. I do not want to learn Git. I want it to just work. And then that's that. I want to use it and I want it to work, but I don't want to learn it. Is there a track for me? Also, why is my head so bright? Bright head. There we go. There we go. And now we're fuzzy a little. Whatever. Don't care. I'm Goofy. The hill. Welcome in, Fuge. That's the only thing I could do as a Goofy. Any Homestar runners? It's Coach Z, I think. Wait, what? It teaches you some fundamentals that get you a really long way. I remember doing like a Git practice fakey training thing, and I at the time I was like, oh yeah, I get it, I get it. We're hopping around different commits, we're checking stuff out, we're reverting, we're merging, we're switching branches, and then like I stopped using all of the features Git has except for git add dot git commit message, and that was all I do. Yo, caveman crafting, how's it going? The book explains some conceptual things that make all of the commands make a lot more sense. Oh, so it's just like one of the best. It's like a good training resource that works. Most of the training out there is like confusing. Oh boy, what did I just do? I just pulled a cable out. I'd probably do Unreal, but I have not had motivation to learn C++. I mean, the nice thing about Unreal is you don't need to know C++. You can just do blueprints. That's totally fine. Totally fine. I used Unreal for a lot of stuff, and I never touched the C++ at all. Just knowing that makes everything much easier to understand. Exo, you're a very talented and exceptional computer science technician. I am very different than you. I don't like to get too deep into the computer. You know, I'm very surface level, very high level. Um, I can't. It's very difficult for me. It's very difficult. Also, caveman crafting. You know, if you pop open Unity, C# is way easier than C++. If you pop open Godot, I believe GD script is also a much easier language to get to do. I mean, I don't know what your background is in terms of you know, coding, but they're way easier. And yeah, you don't even need to know C++. I've been doing a bit of work on my game in Unity. So far, I've been able to get the inventory, crafting item systems in and a building system. Ah, that sounds good. I'm now getting started on AI state systems. Ooh, that's fun. I like making state machines a lot. Also, why is this taking for absolute ever? I just realized I was messing with the project directory in with Git while this was opening, and it looks like it's just going to town on converting everything. So I'm gonna make some decorations while that's working. Does anybody have any suggestions on things I should make? One thing I don't love, I like my hot tub, but it's very confusing to people. You know, like this kind of hot tub, it's just very Japanese specific, just like a wooden box. I feel like I need to make a more traditional hot tub as well. What's something else that would be in a bed and breakfast? Also, this is some strange texturing right here. Why is that so gray? This is supposed to be white. Hmm. Wait, sorry, I fell behind a little bit on chat. That was a pretty awesome goofy. I appreciate it. Uh, I feel like a lot of the Git educational stuff out there fails to talk about why Git works the way it does and instead focuses on the commands. But without the fundamental explanation, the commands are kind of hard to understand. Yeah, they really are. Uh, Different perspectives are all useful and good. Yeah, I agree. Uh, what are these being made for? The different, what do you mean? I don't remember what we were talking about back then. The decorations? There are things that you can build in your inn, you know, things that you can decorate your inn with. What's a Genkan? A piano. I have a piano, but oh, you know what? I do want I have a big grand piano, but I want to make a smaller like what like a saloon piano. What kind of piano is that? Wait, what is this? Oh, it finally opened. Okay. Okay, we made it. We made it. All right. We do this, we do this, we do this, and we're ready. Main game scene. Let's see if this runs. I think so. Core scene. It's gonna do some compiling. It's very smooth. Ooh, wow, that's buttery smooth. It's so smooth. Okay, this PC is good. It is more powerful than my Mac. I don't like that the fan is so loud. That's the next thing I got to do. I got to figure out how to make the fan just shut the hell up. It's very smooth. The game runs buttery. There's something back there, isn't there? Computer games. It says computer games back there. Okay, so I went to the mailbox and it threw an error. So and now it's not. So okay, we're back. Back. Why? Okay, it's not switching to mouse mode. That's weird. When I click, it's supposed to switch to mouse mode. Oh, weird. Ooh, that's kind of laggy, but I'll forgive it. I'm speeding up time like times 7. Also, what if this was just full HD? That's even worse. An upright piano. There we go. That's what it's called. A drink vending machine. Oh, I do need one of those. I do need a vending machine. That sounds more fun to make than a piano right now. Can I take? No, you can't take the bike up there. I'm just like going through a bunch of places. See if things work. Ooh, no. Okay, I know that bug. I know that bug. That's a gross bug. I hate it. If I have, so I have this triplanar material for the ground plane, and it references a vertex shader or a vertex color. And if the object doesn't have an extra vertex channel, like an extra vertex color channel, it does this, and it's horrible. On the Mac, it doesn't do that. On the Mac, if it doesn't have that extra vertex channel or the vertex color channel, it just ignores it. Would it be interesting to do the same items but different design sets, styles? Yeah, definitely. Like have an Eastern, Western design. Yeah, caveman crafting. I do want to do that. Oh, hello, puppy. The dog woke up and came to join me. Oh, wait. These don't have... These stairs, they don't get snowy. Oops. Also, these rooftops don't get snowy. I thought they did. I guess not. And these branches need to get snowy. Oh, so many things need to get snowy. Also, the snow is very gray. Why did that happen? Oh, I see why. Hi. Chat. I'm getting so many bugs. All right. So the game kind of runs. There's some weirdness. I don't think I'm going to work on the game. I'm just going to work on some models. So I like the vending machine. I like the piano. Perhaps with a fuge. What's a fuge? I mean, Linus is a bit of an oddball in how he thinks through things, and Git very much reflects that a lot. Oh, is Linus the creator of Git? A Genkin is the entrance where you take off your shoes. Oh, that's right. I should know that. My wife literally called ours that this morning because the dog was in the Genkan, and she was like, "Get out of the Genkan." Yeah, I have one of those. I should know what it's called. Fans can be loud, but they're just cheering you on. EXO. I gotta go have a wonderful stream. EXO, thank you so much for all your help. Oh my god. Have you ever been in Japan? Have you ever boke? Mard, I don't know what you're talking about. All right, let's just model stuff. Where'd my Maya go here? So we talked about a piano and a vending machine. I want the vending machine. So let's find a vending machine for reference. Oh, god damn it. Stop doing stupid things. Cute vending machine. This is cute. Let's get this bust out of here. Oh, no, no, no. Moo, 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 moo. No, stop it. Don't do that. Leave it. He's just going to town on the rug. Deveronius, how's it going? The past tense of bike. Oh, boked. I see. I bike. I have bicken. I boke. I would like to make a new bike. Moo! Stop chewing on the rug. He's like crying because he can't chew in the rug. What a stupid baby. Moo! Yeah. Pretty good. And you? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Today's a pretty good day. How big should this vending machine be? I think depth-wise, it should be like this. And I liked the feet that it had. And let's look at images. He didn't nap enough. Mount Muji. True. This one's cute too. This looks like AI though. All right, I'll just wing it. I liked the all the beveled edges. Ooh, PC hotkeys. This is refreshing. You know, I kind of learned with PC hotkeys, and I've been using Mac hotkeys a lot now. Well, I use both at work, but working on this game with PC hotkeys, it's like unusual. So this is the inside window, right? And then this is where the food comes out. And I liked the beveled corners that it had. Oh, he's being a jerk. I really thought he'd kind of chill out for the entirety of the stream, but of course he napped and now he's ready. He's ready to cause chaos. Actually, let's do both of these at the same time. That's probably fine. Johnny Kiv, good morning. Why would he stop? All right, we'll just see how long he lasts on my lap without destroying. How's the dog today? He was doing so good until 5 minutes ago. Does he seem better behaved at all overall now? Oh yeah, Mard. He's so much better. He's like a good dog that I like now. He just had a nap and he wants to chew and he wants attention. He's being pretty chill right now, which is good. I think if I'm constantly talking, maybe it's distracting him a bit. But he definitely wants to chew my hand in like 2 seconds. And he's going to climb on the table. So small. Yeah, he's very small. He's very small. He did double in size in the past month. So I got him a month ago now. And he was 2.5 kilograms. Now he's almost 5 kilograms. Nah, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's going to be very good. I can tell. He's very smart. No, no, don't go over there. No, no, no. Stay. 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 Oh, he's going to bite my nose. He's going to bite it. Good boy. Don't bite my nose. Good boy. Go boy. He is really cute. He's a little too cute. He's a little too cute. A little danger. A little danger dog. No, 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 no. Oh, you stay here. Oh, the geometry here is stupid. Oh, no, no, no. Don't chew my shirt. Don't chew my shirt. No. Leave it. Good leave it. Good leave it. Good leave it. Yeah, this ain't working. You're going down. He just wants to chew. Does he have chew toys? He's got tons of chew toys. They're just not in here. I gotta go get one. One sec. Well, he left me a nice mess I had to clean up in the other room. Damn it, dog. Damn it, dog. I need to... There we go. Just want to make this thicker. Why are you selected? Okay, there we go. Done. Let him. He wants to see himself on camera and stream. If he knew that 56 people were watching him right now, I think he would be all into it. He's very, I don't know. He's very happy to run away and go greet other random people on the sidewalk. Is this already merged? No. We can merge this, this, this. He's not in here anymore. I definitely don't trust what he's doing. The rest I will let the software figure it out. Can I just do this too? Yeah, why not? All right, so I want like a bunch of big cute buttons. I want a bunch of big cute buttons. Very hard to see what I'm doing. There we go. Oh, wait. There we go. There we go. What else would go on this? Buttons to order. Are you going to have fake brand names? Nah. That's too much. That's too much. All right, we have ads coming. I'm just going to hit them now and go take a small break and make sure the dog's not doing something he shouldn't be doing. Coca-Cola, Pepsi. Nah, no fake. I don't know. I don't want to do brands and stuff. I'll be right back though. Okay, welcome back. He is being very good. He created himself and is just taking a nap, which he rarely does. So, all right. So what else goes on with these things? I need buttons. I need a slot to put the quiche. Need a quiche slot. I'm just gonna duplicate this, move it down, delete the buttons. Quiche slot. Via quiche. And then a coin slot. I need a coin slot. And a coin return. They're usually inset in this thing. But I don't really want to poke a hole in it. It's annoying. Maybe I can do something like this. Here's the coin return. Modify. Center pivot. And then here's where you insert coins. Oh, we need a coin return button. There's always a coin return button, right? Maybe this goes here. And then down here, there's a coin return button, which is just a cube. that. Is it cute? Is it cute yet? It needs cute feet. They don't normally have feet, but I like these feet. Can I just make the buttons the feet? No, no, no. Make new feet. I'll make new feet. Although you'll never see them. Yeah, I guess you'll see them. You'll see them. You'll see them. Well, that doesn't make any sense. Mart, if you're still there, the Akari today was pretty easy actually. It felt like a lot of it was just finding the first move, and then 90% of it just got filled in magically. Also, for those that don't know what I'm talking about, make sure to do your daily Akari today. It's a wonderful puzzle game made by our friend Mr. Mard. Okay, all quads and tries. Good enough. So now the interior, what's the interior look like? And soften, soften. Okay, there's hotkeys that I need to make because they're kind of throwing me off. I have a hotkey to center and reset pivot. I need them. They're very imperative to my workflow. I think saying very imperative is it's a little redundant. Oh, can I just copy and paste them from my Mac? From my Mac? Let's see. Let me see if I can just grab them. Please, 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 please let me just grab them. Please, 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 please. Ooh, if I can do that, that would be so nice. Grumble. I'm too tired to do it. Too tired to do the Akari? You better hurry. Wait. It's hurry. You got all day, I guess. You got all day, I guess, because it's 1 in the morning for you or something. Grumble, how you doing? Everyone shout out to Grumble. Just finished working. Whoa. You have a lot to do before you take your long vacation? Ah, sorry. Oh, wait. You guys weren't flashbang because you don't see the Mac. That's funny. Only I was flashbang. Ain't that funny? So Windows, settings, preferences, hotkey editor, Maya default duplicate. Can I export as, okay, public? Where's my public folder? There it is. Maya default duplicate, save. Now on the PC. Had to make sure no one was going to ask me questions while I'm away. Yeah, I get that. Hotkey editor. Import. My computer. Where's my network drives? Gotta put it somewhere. You see what I'm doing, Grumble? Do you see what kind of operating system I'm on? Does this disturb you? Low data sandbox. What the hell is this? Maya 2026 prefs. Just throw it here. Import. Bam. Did that work? Save and close. Yes. Let's go. Oh, what? That didn't do what it was supposed to do. Oh, yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. Okay, that's cool. Wonderful. That's exactly what I want. Looks nice. I hate it. I hate it. I'm running back to the Mac the second I get the chance. This should actually be lower. Also, I think it's gigantic. If this is the arcade, the players only go up to here. That means this is absolutely gigantic. There we go. It's better. Okay, that's so much better. Yes, it opens up the hypershade. Yay. Existing Maya shiny. Ooh, it doesn't open up the the UV editor. Why? Is it because that button doesn't exist? Yeah, that button doesn't exist. That's funny. It's looking for like the command key. It's not a thing. Windows. Set a hotkey for that. Choose category. Editors. Select an editor. No. Menu items. Menu items. We want Windows. So modeling. Common. Windows. Rendering. UV. No, I guess it's a modeling. Yeah, UV editor. Meta 7. What the fuck is the meta key? What does that even mean? Alt 7, please. Save. What is the meta key? Also, excuse my language while I get used to this computer. Transform. Flip in U. There we go. Doesn't really matter, but there's a hotkey to open Copilot and it upsets me. Copilot like in Visual Studio. I have not installed Copilot. I don't know. I'm struggling with the AI coding stuff. What's the consensus? Is it okay to use it? Are we in the clear? Oh, you have it? What do you mean I have it? Just from having Visual Studio, I have it. Yeah, if I open up I don't know, whatever, build controller. Sky Gray, how's it going? Kind of garbo, but fine for small stuff. Yo, I asked it to help me out with a workflow today for something at my day job, and ChatGPT was unhinged. It was like, "Oh, you should be using to do this workflow, you need to write some kind of optical you have to use Tesseract, whatever the Tesseract API is, and write some kind of what was it called? It was like a image correspondence. They called it an image correspondence algorithm. I was trying to like match time warps between two pieces of footage, and it was like you should be using Tesseract and embed the time code into the footage and have Tesseract match frames based on the time code, and then you can export time warp data and bring that into your software, your software of choice, and create a retime curve. And I was like, what? What do you mean? And it gave me the link to Tesseract's GitHub. I'm like, I'm not doing that. %30 of my job is fixing people committing AI code. What's the other 70%? It's a Windows specific hotkey. Windows hotkey opens up this. GitHub Copilot. Look at that. I got a button up here. Sign in to GitHub with a Copilot subscription. No, leave me alone. AI is helpful for me when I'm trying to learn something new. I will say it was interesting to use it today for my day job and work through the different workflows that I can do. What I ended up doing was not what it said, and it requires a little more manual work, but it's kind of the standard workflow anyway. Unity message, 9 references. Oh, this is what I've been wanting. 10 references. I was begging for this on the Mac, but now it's here. That's nice. Also, the colors on PC are like insanely saturated. Everything looks so saturated, it's kind of disturbing me. Also, Fuguesoft for OCR. I don't know what OCR is. Optical correspondence something? Not familiar with that acronym. Where's my Maya? There it is. All right, so the buttons. The button backplate will be black. The entire vending machine will be BMO green. Ode to BMO. It's my ode to BMO. The buttons themselves will be white, maybe? Or some kind of gray. I want the insides to be white. Nailed the O off the dome. Optical character recognition, I see. Really nailed that. I mean, it was an educated guess. Maybe this should be red. I always like the orange red. I don't like that super red, like pink red. I want the inside of this to be black. Grab. Create planer. Too big. Be smaller. There we go. I like that. And then this can stay white. This I want to be silver. Actually, I want both of these to be silver. I want these to be a different material. New material, existing material, metal. Oh, that's why this metal stuff's gray, because it doesn't have the right texture here. Even though it's literally the same? Copy. Bado. There we go. That was weird. Bado, how's it going? Booyah! Val! Val, how are ya? Okay, the inside of here I want to be different as well. No, not UV shell. Create planer. Maybe it can be like just a lighter version of this teal. Yeah. Refresh? Have you been looking at the BRB screen for like the past 45 minutes? I definitely have. Oh man. I'm sorry. I blame the PC. I blame this PC, y'all. I don't blame you at all. I don't blame you. This PC is, I don't know, video games only. I'm gonna play, maybe I'll play Oblivion on it. Maybe. All right, what should these feet be? Benny! Happens to me frequently, like on my stream specifically or on just streams in general. Everyone, shout out to Falonier. Please give Falonier your follows if you like game development content. Like if you're here right now and you're going, game development content, I dig this. You should also follow Falonier. No brainer. I want to try something. That doesn't work. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. Abort. It's so hard to type with Taco Bell. How? Wait. I'm just assuming you're trying to plug softshell chalupa into your computer and smashing your fingers into it, and it's just not working. This is what I'm imagining. Just like you plug the cable into one end of the chalupa, and you're just massaging it with your fingers. No key, no typing is coming out. Very difficult. Use your fingers. Oh God, what was he using? What were you smushing into the chalupa? I'm slapping a quesadilla on my keyboard, begging for emoji 7. Also, Fanny, how are you? I want to put a little door here. I duplicate. I do this. I do this. I scale a little bit. Edge. I want this to be glass. Oh, it can be. It can. Back. Glass. Taco Bell brought the nuggets back. I want some. I never had their nuggets. I'm okay. Figuring out the next part of my game to work on that won't overwhelm me. It's all overwhelming. It is all overwhelming. Do you need to bounce ideas off of us? If you do, if you'd like to, feel free. We're all happy to make you feel even more overwhelmed. Oh, the fact that my hotkeys came through makes me happy. Happy, joy, joy. Okay, so I also need a glass window for this. Can I just duplicate this? It doesn't seem to line up very well. It doesn't look the same. The bevel looks different. But if it's just, yeah, we could just do this. We don't even need all this extra garbage. Delete. No, stop it. Come on. Yeah, leave. I see. It's very, very upset geometry. This geometry is very upset. Okay. Mood. I would much rather be modeling a vending machine. I mean, I will say that this is a grand distraction from the greater goal at hand. So I wouldn't say it's like a better choice. Why can't I hide this? Oh, because the hotkey isn't working. Oh my god, why isn't the hotkey working? Hotkey, choose a category. Menu items. Modeling. Mesh. No, where's the hide? Application. Search by runtime command. Hide. Selection. Control H. Yeah, I was clicking that. Baloney. Baloney. Control H does nothing. Baloney. Control H. Save. Hotkeys have been saved. It still doesn't do it. Excuse you. Hide selected objects. What if I just make this Control Shift H for now? Control Shift H is already assigned to show last hidden. Do you want to? No. How about Alt Control H. Alt Shift H? It doesn't let me do that. All right, Alt Shift H. How about that? Save. Alt Shift H. There we go. And now make this Control H again. Meta Control H? What? No. It's just Control H. Save. Let's bring that back and then hide it. There we go. Okay, that was weird. Hide unselected objects. Alt H. No, we'll leave that. We'll leave that. Oh, I think what's happening is I'm hitting another key and it thinks I have two keys selected. All right, yeah, that's what's happening. I'm rewriting my game for the third time. This better be the last. Foul. Please let it be the Please let it be the last. They had them as limited time a few months ago, and they sold so well they brought them back. I thought this. I saw the news. I saw it show up in like a social media feed, and I kind of assumed it was like from years ago, but nope. Cool on how you can select the color for your model. I'm still used to the PNG cardboard wrap way of working to give your models a skin. Yeah, Deveronius. I like this way because I don't have to worry about texturing. The problem is you can't really make textures. You know, everything is a solid color or a gradient, but that's just the style I'm going for, so it works. Also, I think I want to just cut this arbitrarily and then cut this here. The issue with this way is like if I want to make something another color, I have to make it I have to make geometry to support it. So now that the back half can be like a two-tone, but I had to add physical geometry there to do that, which is kind of lame. It's a little lame. But yeah, it makes it look a little cooler. All right, so I need to add some stuff on the interior. Now, is this a drink vending machine? Is this a food vending machine? It's going to be a little bit of both, right? It's got to be both. So I'll just make some fake drinks. Or maybe I use the drinks I already have in the game. Lollies. It's going to be lollipop vending machine. There's nothing better than watching someone work who understands well the tools they have in their head. Are you saying I understand these tools? Because I'm fumbling like hell today. I'm a fumbler. Kind of works the same, except all the vertices are on a single color instead of stretched out across a whole image. Well, yeah, it is kind of the same, but I just don't have to worry about stretching. I don't have to worry about actually unwrapping them. I could just do a planar projection and toss them in a quadrant. So that's kind of the beauty of it, right? All right, what else? What else? Maybe this whole panel is a different color too. Like I take this, I duplicate it, I move it up, I get rid of the buttons, and then this whole thing can be another sub panel just to create some visual interest. And then I make it a different color. Not black. Make it like what would be complementary to this turquoise? Would it be yellow? Yeah, kinda. Maybe a pale yellow. And then this stuff can be centered on it. That makes me not like the background of this thing. Maybe it should be gray? No, maybe there's something about this I hate. Maybe the buttons. No. Maybe the buttons should be yellow. And oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. All right, so this is the panel, right? Yeah, this is the panel. Maybe the panel should be red. These buttons should be yellow. Nope. This is where I always fail. This is where like my design skills go to die, is when I try to choose colors. All right, that's not so bad. I'm just so bad at choosing the right colors. And then what else? Sounds easier to maintain and to color shift the model than create the skin again and hoping you do not make any mistakes. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it is super easy. And when I want to change like the whole look of the game, I'm basically just changing the you know, the texture. Not that. I'll just change this. If like every red, if I realize one day every red is like too radioactive, I could just go in there and drop this back, and now every red in the game is just a little bit softer. Excuse me. And I left some open areas here. If I desperately need more colors, I can fill them in here. I have a lot of empty white spaces. It's probably the thing that people like the most when they watch me work. They're like, "Ooh, the texture," which I totally agree because I love this workflow. I feel like everyone should give it a whirl, see if it works for them. I think that texturing 3D models, I think that texturing is a huge time sink in that for a solo dev to texture is too hard. It's too time consuming. You will not get everything done. So you need to somehow remove some of the tasks from your workload, and texturing for me is the first to go. All right. What's going on inside of this? What's going on inside of this? So these cute vending machines, they just have some food. Maybe I'll make some shelves. Yeah, some shelving, I guess. I'll make some shelving. Wait, stop it. Bart. Bart, thank you for the follow. How are you? Welcome back. All right, so these are my shelves. I will populate them with stuff. And I don't need all this geometry. I can delete some. I probably don't need the bottom geometry either. But now I'm just being silly. Add existing, shiny. Shiny matte. I'll make these very dark. Maybe they should be thicker. They look a little sad. And then if I soften their edges, they look a little rounded. Yeah, that's cool. All right, all right, all right, all right. What's next? What's next? Is that it? Is that all these things need? They got buttons, they got coin return. They need the little circle things. That's only if they drop. Maybe I need a drink one and a food one. Maybe one is for drinks and one is for food. I think this is good for now. Maybe the feet are too tall. It looks weird. It looks like a... I don't know why it looks so weird. All right, is it time to merge it all down? I'll keep the glass separate. So these will be separate. Merge these. Glass. What is this? A vending machine? Glass. Geo. So clickety clackety, I'll never get used to it. And then this stuff. This is vending machine geo. Vending machine group. Yeah, and I'll put the items. I'll put whatever items I have in the game. I have like a bunch of stuff from an asset pack. It must be an ordeal to also learn to make your own models besides learning all the Unity mumbo jumbo. I mean, I've been doing 3D for 17 years now, 16 years. So that stuff's no problem. It's the Unity mumbo jumbo that is the harder stuff for me. Furniture export. So, okay. Do I actually want to bring this into Unity? Or am I really going to stream from this PC going forward? I don't think so. I think I'm going to run with my tail between my legs back to the Mac. I'm not going to use the build that's currently on the PC. I'm glad that it works. So in the future, if I desperately need to do dev on the PC, I can. But I think I'm going to continue from the Mac. So I'm not going to bring the stuff into Unity right now. I'm going to continue making more models and only do modeling on the PC. So let's make the upright piano. So this can go off to the side. So the upright piano, how big should it be? And how big is my current piano? All right, we have an ad break coming soon. Upright piano. Yeah, this is classic. I just want this. Which one actually? This one is nice. These look like they have weird tall hats. This one's okay. I like this one. They all kind of look the same. I like this one. The yellow one, that one's great. It's pretty simple. I mean, the paneled ones I like because they allow me to add detail where the color is just going to be solid. So I do like these paneled ones. So maybe I go for something like this with these rounded feet. It's kind of cool. Oh, this is the one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like this one. I like this one because it has this like sheet music-y stand. I think the proportions are nice. They're cuter. Yeah, these proportions, they freak me out. I don't like them for some reason. Yeah, I hate that. Get it away from me. Get it away from me. Perfect. Perfect. There's the one. There's the one. Done. And sorry for the ads. So how big does it need to be? Let's see what my current piano is. Decor piano. My current one is only 1 unit? No, it's 2. It's sort of 2. I should just use this same stuff. The same proportions at least. So let's export this. Game object. No. Tools? Game object? Export to FBX. Let's put it in 3D. New folder from Unity. So select folder. This is the brand piano. Export. Then I'll import it. No, not reference. Nope, that hotkey doesn't exist. From Unity. Run piano. Where are you? Where are you? Atreyu. Did it not export? Successfully exported. Baloney. Baloney. Maybe it's confused because it has the period in the name. Probably. Grand piano. Let's try again. Grand piano. Yeah, I'm getting an error. No translator found. What? 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 Huh? No translator found. Perform file action.mel. Huh? Import. Import options. Best guess. No, it's definitely an FBX. Oh, I don't have the FBX plugin. The FBX loader is not loaded. FBX. That's so weird. It's like a default thing. Game FBX exporter. Yeah, sure. Weird. Import. Why would it even show up? Grand piano. There we go. This is a little guy. He's a cute little guy. So I'm going to use him as my reference because the piano shouldn't really be bigger. It should just be smaller. And I need my reference image visible. So put it here. Oh, oh, Windows. Come on, you're killing me. Oh, Windows, you're killing me. You'd think Windows would be good at Windows. All right, there we go. So I will start with the back. Start with the back. And how big it, yeah, it's like a little bigger than one full unit. Just a little bit. What is it, like 120? Yeah. Height 80. Depth 30. That's a good start. $125. And then where's the center? The center's right here. Okay. So it's pretty much, so if I get rid of all this nonsense geometry on the back, what if I do a little knife action? And then I get rid of this. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. So I'm not going to use this. I just want it as a guide. Because that's pretty cool. That's kind of what I want. It's a little sticking out a little too much. Oh, and this should be like bowed out a little bit. So it does this. Yeah, yep. And then we will... Should I just use this? Nah, no. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to make a fun new one. It's going to be fun. It's going to be new. And then the chair can match. Also, this is bull. This is baloney. They're all so evenly spaced. We want realism. We don't want this nonsense. We need realistic pianos that you can play. So I'm going to make that separate. I don't think I need that anymore. Okay, if I do this, and then I add some... Yeah, that's pretty much it, right? And then I want to extrude in. Should probably be doing this symmetrically. This, right? And then we merge these. Merge. Merge. And then... And then the keys. Okay, so this is the fun part that this is what I thought was fun, is making these keys. So how should I make these keys? Also, I need to see this a little bigger. It's a 300 by 300. Nope, that's as big as I get. Damn it. All right, so how should I make these keys efficiently? I don't want to do one piece of geometry per key. It's a lot of vertices. It's a lot of polygons, but I might just do it anyway because it's not that bad. I might just do it anyway. Like the white keys can all be one giant thing. And then I just make black keys separate. And I don't want to do as many keys as there are on a real keyboard because that's too much. I will make a cute alternate bubbly one. So let me experiment by just adding a cube for a key. Now make it interactive. Okay, fine. Fine, Fanny, you win. All right, so that's going to be a black key, and then these are going to be the white keys. And I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to do this, and there's all the white keys. And then I'll add the black keys. So the black keys go in pairs of 2 and then pairs of 3. Right? So here's a pair of 2. Well, here's a pair of 3, and then here's a pair of 2. And then we just keep repeating these. Uh, there. That's cute. That's actually like, maybe it's still too realistic. Maybe I want less than that. Red rum dev. Red rum dev, that is a dirty joke. Let's see. Is that good? Wait, no, they're sticking out too much. Yeah, they only go like halfway up the keys. And then I'm gonna soften their look, but I don't need all these bottom vertices or these bottom faces. And or the back ones actually. And I'll soften them, make them nice and there we go. And then these. Okay, so how am I gonna make the white keys look like normal white keys? I could add you know what I could do? Okay, I got this. I'm just gonna add a bunch of vertices or a bunch of edges and just make a little line. I'm gonna bevel the little lines between the keys and make them dark, just to pretend they're separate keys. Zavedrog, how's it going? No, I refuse to believe it. Now we need to hear Billy Joel, Piano Man. Oh, I love Billy Joel. You kidding me? Freaking kidding me? Guy from Long Island loves Billy Joel. Surprise. Shocker, I know. Where are my insert edge loop tools? There we go. Tool settings. I want multiple edges. And I don't know how many rings I need, but I'm going to start there. I just want like a magic number that works. Can I have that, please? So it looks like I need more. Or less? Wait. It's possible that these spacings don't make any sense and they can never be right. 28. 30. Oh, why does it keep resetting? That's upsetting. You know what? We're just gonna pretend it's fine. So now I'm gonna take all these edges. I'm gonna duplicate them, or not duplicate them. I'm gonna bevel them. Bevel. I'll make the fraction really tiny, and then I lost the selection, so that's annoying. Well, first I'll do the same thing. I'm gonna delete all of the back faces. And I know you Blender people are going to be like, oh, there's a way to like automate, just select every other one. Yeah, well, we're not in Blender, are we? We're not in Blender, are we? No, sir-ree. Where? In Maya, where you do things manually. And you like it too. Because done. Create planar. So these are the white keys. These are the dark spaces in between the white keys. Let's give it our fancy magic material. That was amazing. What was amazing? My song? I didn't sing. Maya matte. I want my Maya matte material. There we go. How's it going? Haven't been on your stream in a while. Yeah, Red Rum, it's been a minute. Things are going okay. A lot of ups and downs, but I would say generally things are up. Past few days were interesting. I spent a lot of time fixing a bug that we finally got fixed, and I feel a lot better about that. That was painful. All right, so these are the white keys, right? And these are the dark spaces in between the white keys. And it's perfect. It looks exactly like keys. I dig it. These are the black keys. And that, I kind of love that. I'm kind of in love with that. I don't love that they don't line up the way they should. It's a little bothersome. Should I care? Piano keys layout. I don't know. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it repeats. So I can do this. So it's 1, 1, 2, 3. And then these go here. And then I will delete from here. And then I'll delete these. And then I can combine them. Move this here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. No. All right, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'll just combine them again. Center it. Center it. Scale it in. Done. And we have a perfectly lined up keyboard. All right, that makes me feel a whole lot better. These are not, oh, these should be shiny. These should be shiny. So I go to material, existing, shiny, soft. Yeah. All right. I probably do things the hard way in Blender. I mean, Blender to me is just hard in general. I would say Blender as a whole is difficult. But it is, we're going on 3 hours. I gotta go. We're gonna find someone to raid. Everyone, thank you for hanging out on this very janky PC stream. I feel like I did my best. Bado, thank you for the hydrate. That was my first hydrate the whole stream. iHeart, thank you. Thank you for liking my song. And there go the my earbuds. The earbuds just died. So I can't hear you guys anymore. Chat, I can't hear you. No, I never could. I guess I associate the music with your presence. Like if I hear the music, you are present. Now that everything's quiet, I feel like I'm in a room by myself. Am I the only one who cares about your health? Yeah, apparently. But let's find someone to raid because I'm done. I'm done. Where should we go today? Who's online? Who's on the Twitchosphere waiting to be raided into? We raided into Killicky yesterday. We can't raid him again. Finn is on? Finn is still... What is he doing? He's going on 11 hours? 11 hours? He's playing video games. I don't care. You're still here. Okay, you're still here. Good. We're going to raid Finn. Finn's playing Last of Us 2 right now, but I fully encourage everyone to show Finn a lot of love. He's a wonderful Unreal game dev and deserves your follows. He's super smart, super talented, knows what he's doing. If you're like me and you like to watch people who are very good at what they do, Finn is that person, I promise. I think the credits work on this screen, but I have to click it from the Mac. So if I click the Mac, it should start the credits anyway. That Gamer, thank you for hanging out. Virtue. Appreciate the support. New followers, Bart, Toxic Taco, and Spawn, thank you for following. Turgis, thank you for gifting that sub to Belint. Zombie, thank you for continuing your sub. Belint, thank you for the cheer. And Hypnotic and Nerdy Punk Dev, thank you so much for the raids. Let's go say hi to Finn. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your Friday, or a start to your Friday, wherever you're at, and have a good weekend. I'll be back next week. If you're new to the place, if you're new to here, consider giving Alpine Lake a wish list. I hope you enjoyed your time here, maybe. And thanks for bearing with me with all the technical difficulties on the PC. I think I will be continuing my stream from the Mac next time. I think it's kind of funny that